Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. If this is your first time here guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. On this channel we do generator reviews, RV, accessory reviews, and all kind of other stuff. So just trying to keep it fun for you guys. Today we have the Westinghouse 4500. It is a digital inverter generator, the iGen4500. It has a starting watt of 4500, so that's the peak watts. It has a running watts of 3700 watts. It is remote start, which you know I like. It's quiet operation. It's usually the big generators and inverter generators are really quiet because they have all that extra power, so they can run a little quieter for you, especially if you have a larger RV. Clean power, fuel efficient with eco mode. They have a nice list on the box of all the stuff that it will run. You can see right there they listed the 15,000 BTU AC, RV AC. This takes about 2,000 watts. What's another large one they have on here? A grinder, 2,500 watts. So it could power all that stuff real easy, guys. Okay, guys, one of the things I wanted to point out about the digital data center on the Westinghouse. F is for remaining runtime. P, that's for power output. So that's your voltage, your kilowatts. And the liters, it shows the fuel remaining in liters. That's 2.8 so liters. It's not gallons. The U, that's your voltage. And then it shows a lifetime hours display. So that's what you'll get on your digital data center. Pretty cool. And it also shows that it's pure sine wave and remote start. Let's not spend too much time on the box. We'll go ahead and open the generator and see what it comes with. I'll get the generator on here and we can go through some of the features and warranty and other stuff. All right guys, so here we got the Westinghouse 4500. Now this generator is RV ready because it has the RV plug, 30 amp right here. It also has the two 120 volt plugs. It is parallel capable. And this is your switch for your battery. So in order to use your remote start, you would have to turn this switch on. This generator is single push start. So you hit that one time, you walk away, it starts. It also has the eco mode right here, manual switch. It also comes with a plug, a battery maintainer. So if you keep this generator stored for a while, you should just plug it to your plug. It comes with this plug, wall plug. You just plug that into here. And that keeps your battery maintained. So you come back after a couple months, try to use your generator, you won't have a dead battery. Nice feature to have on the generator. I told you about the battery power light, fuel shut off, USB, comes with two USB plug. You have your output ready, overload light right here, and oil light. I like the single reset. So the Westinghouse also has a digital data center. It will show you fuel gauge, your power output, amps being used, voltage, and all the information is right here. And you can toggle through your information by hitting this little button right here. Got your grounding log right here. Intake is on the side, it's not on the floor. So this is really good. So you can run this and it won't be stuffed up right here. Nice handle, tucks away real good. Pull start, push start, and remote start. This is your little section so you can add oil to it. So you don't have to take the whole side off. You could just take that off and add your oil. This is your battery. I already connected this right here, but this is where you would connect your battery. It does have a spark arrestor. Nice 2 handles on the top so you can pick it up. Real big gas tank. 3.4 gallons the side, so you would take this off to service your generator. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just pull from the top. Okay. This is inside the Westinghouse. Filter. So this has like a little box that comes on the carburetor. It has a box that goes in the carburetor, ports into this box, and the filter's in here. That's different. Real nice padding all over. Easy access to your spark plug. Real good. The single screw that goes in the bottom is a different one, so make sure you place that first. Work your way around. Okay guys, so this is the Westinghouse 4500. I already put the oil in there earlier on. So we're gonna take it outside and fire it up. Another thing I didn't point out, the Westinghouse also has this nice big wheel, so if you're going in grass, you should be able to get through grass or any kind of rough surface real good with the Westinghouse. Okay guys, I got the Westinghouse set up outside. Gonna go ahead and fire it up using the push start on the front. In order to start the generator with a push start, you would flip your on button, turn your fuel to the on position, one push, let it warm up for a little bit. Let's run through some of the settings. You got your power, volts, all right. Let's put it in eco mode. Okay guys, let's shut it off. One push. Now in order to start it with the remote, you would just leave the switch on, push 1. Oh, that's off. In order to start the Westinghouse with the remote, you just hit the on button once. Everything on the Westinghouse is automatic. The choke function and everything will be taken care of when you're starting it with the remote. Okay guys, I'm about 20 feet away from the generator right now. Let's get a measurement of the ambient right now. About 46, 45. Let's go ahead and start the generator. About 56. Let's check it off eco mode. About 59. 58. Right up to the generator. All right. Okay guys, this has been the unboxing of the Westinghouse 4500. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna break in the generator right before we do the load test on it. Most people wonder what I did to break in my generators. I did the first oil, I run it, then I'll change the oil and let it run for several hours. You know, I'll use it on my RV to kind of break it in right, and then I'll do the load test. So stay tuned for the next video when we do the load test on the iGen4500. So what I think about the generator so far, I really like the one push start. So you just turn the switch on, hit it one time. I like that feature, it's pretty cool. And then one push stop. That's my favorite feature on the generator.